Hello everybody, so I'm back with another video. I have this organic made in nature fruit bark crunch 70% coca, dark chocolate, blueberry pomegranate with plant-based protein chips. Now that's a lot. um yeah, so this is it. The brand name is, so I assume the brand name is Made in Nature. Made in Nature and the organic Made in Nature design are trademarked by Made in Nature. So yeah. So this is amount per serving, calories 170, serving size 1.10 ounces, 32 grams. So it has some added sugar here and so on, but the ingredients, like, they're organic and so on. It says manufactured in a factory that produces peanuts, tree nuts, dairy, soy, and wheat. So I'm gonna open it and taste it, do a taste test. I don't know what to expect. I feel like this is like a granola bar. Okay, so this is the bag, or the inside of the bag. And this is like one little bar. So yeah, like, see? They're different sizes, different shapes. So I'm gonna try it. It's already messy. I taste the dark chocolate. I'm not a fan of dark chocolate, but I taste the dark chocolate. And I taste like other things, but I don't know. So I guess I bit the seeds. There's the seeds, I bit them, but I don't know, I'm not getting like a strong flavor from the seeds. I taste a lot of dark chocolate. Like a lot. I guess this is a blueberry. I don't know. Oh, and this is a pomegranate. Pomegranate. So the seeds are falling off. The seeds are falling off from the bar. So this would be like a little bar, right? Or how do you call it? Like a little candy bar, or like a little organic chocolate bar. I mean, to be honest, all I could kind of taste is the dark chocolate. Like that's all I kind of taste. Like I feel the seeds. I feel like I'm eating like on something like besides the chocolate. I don't know. I don't have a napkin with me, so I have to. Whatever. I'm just gonna clean myself with my socks. I'm gonna take them off right now anyway, so. Yeah, so. Yeah, I don't have a napkin. I didn't. Wait a minute. Okay, so I give these a thumbs up. Like the chocolate is overpowering. And honestly, all I could taste is the chocolate. The seeds don't taste nasty. The blueberries, the pomegranate doesn't taste nasty. Everything like tastes okay. Like it doesn't taste salty. It doesn't taste sweet. I don't taste salty or sweet. I just taste like a lot of dark chocolate. The chocolate, like I said, the dark chocolate, it's overpowering. Like, so I'm not sure how the other stuff kind of tastes, but I give it a thumbs up. It tastes good. Yeah, like it tastes good. Like it's not too sweet. It's not too salty. So it's in between, I guess. We have the fruit bark crunch. Yeah, to me, like the blueberries and the pomegranate, it didn't taste nasty to me. Like I tasted it, it really didn't taste like anything. Like I said, the chocolate was overpowering, so I didn't really know how to feel about it, you know. But it didn't have like a nasty flavor to it. It didn't have a good flavor to it. It was just like whatever. That's why I'm not too sure about the other ingredients because the chocolate like is strong, but it's still good. You know, I give this a thumbs up and I recommend it. And that is it. I will eat these like throughout the month because it's a lot of chocolate. Okay, that's it.